And here I have Try Treats. This is an international snack subscription box. And let's check it out. So this is what the box looks like that you get. You open it up, and in this particular box, we're going to be getting snacks from Russia. So you get this little card from in the box. It tells you a little bit about Russia. And then also you get a what's inside your treats box. It actually kind of translates what's in here because all the packaging is going to be in a different language that you might not be able to read. And then on the back you can enter the giveaway and you can check your best, worst, and weirdest types of treats. So here, let's open this paper right here and I'll show you what we get here. Open this up and explore Russia. There's some Russian facts right here, and then you start getting into different types of snacks and candies and cookies and wafers. And oh man, looks like a lot of great stuff I've never definitely had before. Big chocolate bar, so that's super cool. And other snacks and stuff that I can't read at all, but it does look good. And it's going to be exciting to try all this. But anyway, that's what's great about this. Right here is got a list that tells you exactly what you're eating. Like right here, wafer candy with hazelnut by Alenka. Chocolate glazed wafer candy with hazelnut cream filling. These wafers are perfect for a bite to snack on whenever it feels sweet to you. So I tell you all about what you're getting in the box so that you don't get confused, and maybe if you have any allergies, you can stay away from some stuff if that's the case as well. But anyway, this is the Try Treats subscription box. Very cool, and definitely highly recommend.